Good afternoon, EDUTL 4191, and welcome to this quick video on poster preparation tips. It was nice seeing all of you this month, and I hope everything is going well as you finish up your internship for this semester. I'm not sure if you've had a chance to look at all of the wonderful template selections that OSU has to offer. If you went ahead and Googled Ohio State University PowerPoint templates, you will see downloads, and if you click on that, you will get a whole bunch of resources. If you go further down towards the middle, you will see presentation resources, and if you click on research poster templates, you'll get a nice folder which is filled with a whole bunch of gray and scarlet types of templates. Just be careful of the sizes that you choose. I think your standard size that you want is 36 by 48. I went ahead and used this template that was sent out to me by Rebecca Chaco, who is the coordinator of the EHE Student Forum that I participated in, and I just used this. However, I think I would have liked to try some of the nice posters that are available out there. So you already have all of your information that you need, and it's just a matter of copying and pasting your bibliography. You don't maybe have results yet, or maybe you do. For me, I didn't, so I went ahead and put something else in this section. You all have your methods and your introduction, so really it's a nice template that you can just put your information into. It's really a matter of formatting everything and making sure everything's aligned and looks pretty. Rebecca sent out a number of important things to the participants. Just a reminder of the standard poster size, 2 good links concerning printing, which you might already have, but we'll take a quick look at in a few minutes. And just a reminder that we must adhere to OSU branding guidelines. And to be careful when you select an image that it has a high enough resolution so that it does not appear pixelated or unclear. This was a problem I had, and I'll show that to you in a minute. Okay, so this was the template, and this is what I filled out the boxes into. I was working on an education status study concerning Ohio technology classes. And this is all I could get. I didn't really have much information since we didn't start it out yet. We were still getting the IRB approved. I found a nice map. Over here, it's very faint, as you can see, and this is what I was talking about with the resolution. I had to fill out a Qualtrics, or I created a Qualtrics survey to hand out to administrators and teachers in Ohio, and I just kind of copied and pasted them on here. I took little snippet photos, and it's very light, as you can tell. It's okay when you look at it up close on the real poster, but this is too light, so you really want to select images that are darker and clearer. So these are some points. Let me keep going here. I went ahead and sent my copy, my rough draft, to my advisor, who very kindly responded in a couple hours with some, not just some tips, but an edited version. So he went ahead and cleaned up some of the misalignments and added a photo. So as you can see, there's no photo here, just a map. He put this photo in. Actually, this was not the same photo. I changed the photo that he gave, but he gave me the inspiration to put a photo in there. I just thought it was something I didn't need to do since we didn't have a photo of anything since we didn't start the study yet. He also suggested that I change preliminary results to survey follow-up and analysis. So I went ahead and did that over here. So this is what I ended up with. Okay, and as I had mentioned, there are some great sites with tips on printing your poster. This is one of them, the top one. As you can see, they recommend that you print the poster at least 1 week before it's due. The poster can take up to 30 minutes to print, depending on the size, and they suggest you do the math. So if there are 3 people ahead of you, then that's an hour and a half before yours starts printing. So you need to schedule this really if you have exams, especially now at the end of the semester. Sometimes printers don't work. They might be out of ink or paper, so always have a backup in mind. Now for me, as many of you know, since I live in Dayton, I had some issues with printing because I didn't want to come up here just to get a poster printed. I also did not load up my Buck ID, so I was looking for a place I could just pay with a credit card. So that ruled out Digital Union, although this looks nice since they do provide assistance, which I would want. Ohio Union does the plain paper, and it's self-service. But again, you need your Buck ID, which I have. I just don't have money on it. Thompson Library looked great. Look at the price for it, 36 by 48, $9.25. Wow. Print time, 30 minutes. It's self-service, so that's what ruled it out, plus the Buck ID. I did went ahead and called Health Science Library, but for some reason, I don't know, I didn't go with them. I think it took them a while to get back to me or something, or they were busy or something like that. So I decided maybe I'll just go to my local Kinko's FedEx here in Dayton. I did, but a couple of months ago, all they had for sizes was 24 by 36, which is small, and I didn't like it, but I went ahead and ordered it because I needed something to show. So that cost $43.50. They had it ready within, actually, they didn't have the ink or the printer was broken, so they had to send it out to some other FedEx, so I didn't get it till the end of the day, which kept me a little bit nervous. Now, if you do want to go to your local FedEx, they do offer, I just found out today, a 36 by 48 size, and that's for the mere price of $87. So they will get back to you quickly, and they try to accommodate you, and you could get it done within a day. Since I didn't have the size I wanted, I went back to that website that I showed you, and I called Ohio Union and found out that they could have it done within the same day also. So it was too late to cancel my FedEx order, but I went ahead and ordered another poster from Ohio Union at the Uniprint, which is located on the first floor inside of Barnes & Noble. We had a slew of emails. At one point, my file was too small because I used that file for FedEx, 36 by 24. So I had to go back and resize it to a 44 by 36. And they told me the price was $49.50. Let's see. And that's about it. I did get it printed out from Uniprint, and my daughter actually picked it up for me. So she had it the day before the actual symposium. And I recommend all of you, if you're here next year, to submit your proposal, the research you've done for this semester for CYS is something that I'm sure would be wonderful to display at this forum, and it'd be great for your resume. So the proposal submissions are in October, and they make it a really nice affair with lunch, and a nice speaker comes and talks to everybody during the event. So I highly recommend it, and I wish you the best of luck on your poster preparation process. Please email me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you and your poster on the 26th. Bye.